Alright, I want to interrupt your video real quick to let you guys know that this is going to be one of the biggest YouTube channels of the year, especially coming from Barbados. Basically, the content to be like on this channel is going to be car stuff. It's going to be gym stuff. It's going to be trading stuff sometimes. It's going to be lifestyle, anything that I really like. For the most part, in this video, what you're about to see is a super doing a pull. You're about to see some shenanigans here from the car meet. You're about to see some of the nice builds. There's some stuff I was able to capture last year before we went back into lockdown due to COVID and stuff like that. Also, we're going to see is that I was able to get a pull in my friend's big turbo Golf. It was running about 220 brake horsepower at that time on 10 pounds. Unfortunately, because of some complications, we was building these cars while going to these meets or whatever, so he had some complications. Getting the turbo to put up more pounds. Yeah, so we was able to get running that still. Also, if you go on my Instagram right now, you're gonna see more content like that, or more of the car scene in a playlist called Spotted. So the more exotic cars you will ever see here in Barbados, or some of the best that I was able to capture. You know what I mean? Talking about GTRs, I was able to say they won, Mercedes, G-Wagons, all those type of cars. They are very rare here in these islands. You're gonna see it there. So definitely follow my Instagram, Jigga__, but it should come up. Whoa, a nice car here. Woo. All right. Yeah, man. So yeah, this video, I didn't talk too much more. Definitely enjoy. And if you want to see more content, the next video coming up going to be a rally video. Rally Barbados 2020. And yeah, that video is coming out soon. So if you want to see that, subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it, put on the post notifications so that the next time I post, you'll be able to see that. Also forgive the list. We got Business Tooth coming up right now. That is messing up what we're talking about, so it is what it is. But I really wanted to just put this video in here to act as an introduction to what you're about to see. You know what I mean? So yeah, man, we're about to have a lot more fun on this channel with a lot more car stuff, from detailing to painting to working on my car. I also can show a recap of where it was when I first got it to where it is now. And that video is going to be very special, you know what I mean? But being that this is the first video on the channel in that light, I wanted to kind of introduce it, introduce what this channel will be bringing, you know what I mean? But yeah, definitely share it with your friends, man, and let's get into the video. Twisting it, say, right. Oh, well, yeah, we don't know. Jesus Christ! They're going to let me put a two-way corner. Superman. So you don't see every day at all. Sure. It's raw. Raw.
Regardless of how hot the heat is, what inside cold. We got that turbo coating and thing.
Damn, you won't complain this summer at all.
Nah, it was summer. Really and truly, only
was summer inside the day. Yeah.
I ain't think because it cool, because it is regardless of the sense.
Jeez.
I just like video, man. But teach you T4, man. Jeez. Yeah, 50 train. You see, most of my effort went here. Most of my effort went here. and they still hesitant on what because a daily car ain't a track car. I mean, it ain't a like a fun car. It's a daily car every day.
Yeah.
So you got to be comfortable. Like looking at those things shots, the H&R suspension.
There's a kill man on the highway when you can't school, son.
Sure. Hey, so man, just don't get between me and my son. Go get shot. Girls forget about it. Yeah, man, she cool, man. I really impressed, man. The small turbo was nice, but the big one is.
You know what I'm talking about?
I'm embarrassing, man.
It's on, rev it.
Sounds good, though.
Yeah, boy. So me.
Race gas,
The legendary car, boy. Race gas?
You smell it just now?
Oh, it smells, you know it smells, huh? Must see a rundown coming down here. That's what we'll do it, I know. They won't run it hard, but. What, man? Bricks, come on. What name, man? Sounds good, man. That's a titanium.
Yeah, that's fueling.
Fueling there, got it. Of course, in no gas. Come on. Come on.
I ain't really pushing the levels.
Serious?
That was only 10 pounds you see there just now.
This is ridiculous.
Huh?
This is fucking ridiculous. All they're looking for now is the man at NH, the right here, to start flagging on the plane, boy.
No.
They sit here, boy. So this will tell you how much.
Yeah.
I feel you would be that Starlight, man. That's the truth. What I like about it, heavy and sitting on the road, man. Really sitting up. Good.